you are activated a little bit with your mind, make you think a little bit, also with the body. All right, so now we're going to divide into groups of 6 and one group of 7.
All right, first of all, Andre Blake, what's taking place here today?
Yeah, the Andre Blake Goalkeeper Clinic, 24 goalkeepers from the Man and the Costa Cup. You know, really important day for me. You know, something I've always wanted to do. So I'm just very happy and excited that, you know, the day has come, and yeah, it's been going good so far.
What inspired you to do this event?
Yeah, I don't think, you know, goalkeeping is a very special position, and I don't think it gets enough attention that it deserves, you know, and living the dream of being a professional goalkeeper, you know, I know what it takes, you know, so I think that it would be really important to really come back, you know, to my home country and try to share that knowledge and share that experience with the younger generation.
All right, so since you've been here from the, have you seen anyone, or have you seen people look stand out and you're impressed with so far?
I mean, it's the first day, you know, there's nerves, and as I said to them before, you know, today you're not going to make it or not make it. You know, it's more about giving them the opportunity, you know, to really realize what it takes, you know, and then they can re-evaluate and see where they are, you know, and if they're on the right path, you know. So it's more of presenting an opportunity for them to learn and to grow and to, you know, gain some experience as to what it takes to get to the next level, you know. So it's not so much about, you know, who is great and who is not great, you know. It's just about giving them the opportunity and, you know, making them realize, all right, I'm on the right path or I am not on the right path, you know, and what it's going to take, you know. So it's just about giving them the opportunity to really be successful.
Will this day of a clinic or this 2-day clinic move to maybe an institution later on in your career?
Yeah, you know, again, you know, playing at the highest level. You know, it's something that it teaches you a lot, you know, and there's a lot of experience that you can share with the youths, you know, and again, you know, I'm very passionate about doing that. You know, I think to whom much is given, much is expected, you know. And again, I don't think goalkeepers, you know, especially in Jamaica, get enough attention, you know, and you might find, you know, gems slipping through the crack, you know. So if we can really do this and continue to grow it, which is the aim, you know, I think that, you know, a lot of positives can come from something like this.
Yeah, I think there's a big market for it in there, Jamaica, because at the lowest level, you don't really see much goalkeepers having specific training. Just like you can do something just to stand in the goal. They're tall enough so just go in the goal and stand. We realize that you guys did a lot of footwork on this day. What's the importance of that now in the goalkeeping world?
Yeah, you know, goalkeeping is changing. You know, it's almost like if you can't use your feet, you know, you're at a disadvantage. You know, so if you can really get them into that from a younger age, you know, you're setting them up to be a lot more successful. You know, so again, as I said, you know, these 2 days is to really give them a taste of what it's like or what it's going to take to be successful at the next level. You know, again, they're not going to make it in 2 days, but at least, you know, if they come with an open mind, you know, wanting to learn, wanting to get better, you know, they'll go back, you know, to their clubs or to their schools, realizing like this is what I need to work on if I want to get to the next level.
All right. Well done here, and
Thank
keep up the good work.
I think, as goalkeeper coaches, so let me say this before, there are cameras around here and everything else, all right? Try not to get distracted. As a goalkeeper, you've got screaming fans on the sideline. I was at the game last night with one of the noisemakers, all that stuff going on, and you still got to focus on your job, right? So keep your eyes here, eyes and ears here, all right? As goalkeepers, goalkeeper coaches mess you up, all right? Because we start talking about how you should stand. All right, some say have your hands here, some say have your hands here. All right, for me, find a place where you're comfortable and most effective. But what tells you where your hands should be? What's that? Unbelievable. All right, so.
Hard work to get to your spot.
back, and now you're into here and making the save. Okay? Look at the ball. Whoa. Where are you facing? Yeah. There you go. Yes. Good. Yeah. Roll. Great. Facing that way. There's the touch. Yes. Good. Yeah. There's the touch. Yeah. Good.
Alright people, so welcome again to MG Sports TV. As you guys can see, we are at the Andre Blake Clinic. As you can see, a lot of work has been put in. We've been here from 2 o'clock this evening. A lot of work has been put in. But certainly, it's a good look. It's definitely a good look. All the players look to be up for it. They have been enjoying themselves. They have been working really, really hard. Maybe one of the hardest they have worked in a long, long while. But it's a good look. There's a lot to gain from it. This is something that Jamaica definitely needs. We don't really prioritize goalkeepers. If you even looking at the schoolboy football level, you realize that the goalkeeping, there's definitely a lot of work needs to be done. With an experience like this definitely open new ideas of training, new ways of application, and all these things, which is very, very vital. But I'm just here looking in and trying to see if I can maybe learn something too about goalkeeping, something that I didn't know. But definitely it's a good look, and I hope that we can see this continue. As Andre Blake said in his interview that I did today, that he's looking forward to keep this going and keep this running, because at the end of the day we need to prioritize goalkeeping in Jamaica, unless we can produce better goalkeepers. But anyways people, won't stay long with you guys. Big up on yourself, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. I'll see you guys again. Peace out. Boom.